I understand the stabilization is not going to be the best. And a little bit of my focus is taken away once I hold my phone. In a sense, I take myself out of the zone. I was in the zone and I chose to document a little bit of this journey. First time taking a jog down this path. I usually jog this trail, but I decided to just take it a little step further, and I found a path that I never even noticed. I love shit like this. It's one of the only, I'm not gonna say only, because there's a couple stuff that makes me feel alive. Music, pussy, and this shit right here. Fellas, I want you to keep making progress regardless of where you are, regardless of the fucking bullshit and the pain that you overcome. You gotta keep moving forward every fucking day. Just remember, ain't nobody gonna fucking save you. Nobody's coming to fucking save you. It's up to you. It's you versus you. Let's go. Keep your fucking mind right. There's no woman, there's no mother, there's no grandmother that got the solution for you. There's no God, there's no Jesus. None of that. It's up to you, motherfucker. Now you could fight, you could counter that, and keep waiting for that deity, that bullshit ass story to come help you. It's up to you, boys. It's up to us. I believe in you. Keep making progress. Keep developing. Remember, this shit is non-stop. Let's go.